Hey there, small business owners and t-shirt enthusiasts. Are you looking to take your custom apparel game to the next level? Tired of outsourcing your printing needs and want to bring production in-house? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of direct-to-garment DTG printers that are perfect for small businesses. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? What features should you be looking for? And most importantly, which printers offer the best bang for your buck? Stick around as we count down the top 7 DTG printers that could revolutionize your business. Number 7. SureColor F2100 Direct-to-Garment Printer. This printer has been a staple in the DTG world for quite some time, and it's easy to see why. With its precision core TFP printhead and Epson Ultrachrome DG ink technology, the F2100 delivers high-quality prints with vibrant colors and sharp details. The printer boasts print resolutions up to 1440 dpi, ensuring that even the most intricate designs come out looking crisp and clear. One of the standout features of the F2100 is its quick load platen, which significantly reduces the time it takes to set up each print job. This can be a real time saver when you're dealing with multiple orders. The printer also comes with Epson's Garment Creator software, which is fairly intuitive and allows for easy design adjustments and color management. However, during my testing, I noticed that the F2100 can be a bit finicky when it comes to maintenance. The white ink, in particular, requires frequent attention to prevent clogging. This isn't uncommon for DTG printers, but it does mean you'll need to factor in some downtime for regular cleaning and maintenance. Another point to consider is the print speed. While Epson claims the F2100 is up to twice as fast as its predecessor, I found that it still lags behind some of the newer models on the market, especially when printing dark garments that require a white underbase. This could be a drawback if you're looking to handle high-volume orders. Moving on to number 6, we have the Brother GTX423 GTXpro Garment Printer. This machine is designed to be a workhorse, capable of handling high-volume production with ease. One of the first things you'll notice about the GTXpro is its robust build quality. It feels like it's built to last, which is reassuring when you're making a significant investment in your business. The GTXpro boasts a newly designed white print head that promises to reduce the amount of white ink needed for cleaning. This is a big deal because white ink is typically the most expensive component in DTG printing. During my tests, I did notice a reduction in white ink consumption compared to some other printers I've used, which could translate to significant savings over time. Another feature that stands out is the high-speed print mode. Brother claims this allows for prints up to 10% faster than previous models. In my experience, the speed increase was noticeable, especially on light-colored garments. However, when printing on dark shirts that require a white underbase, the speed advantage wasn't as pronounced. The GTXpro also includes a new height sensor that controls the optimum height of the print platen. This is meant to prevent head strikes and allow for quick switching between different types of garments. I found this feature to be quite useful, especially when printing on items like hoodies or bags that have varying thicknesses. However, it's worth noting that while the GTXpro is versatile, it does have a bit of a learning curve. The software, while powerful, isn't the most user-friendly I've encountered. It took me a few days of tinkering to really get comfortable with all the settings and options. Coming in at number 5 is the PEIXU A4 XP600 UV DTG printer machine. This compact printer is a great option for small businesses just starting out or those with limited space. Despite its small size, the PEIXU A4 packs quite a punch when it comes to print quality and versatility. One of the standout features of this printer is its UV curing technology. Unlike traditional DTG printers that require heat pressing to set the ink, the UV curing process is almost instantaneous. This means you can handle and package your prints immediately after they come off the printer, which can be a huge time saver in a busy production environment. The PEIXU A4 also impressed me with its ability to print on a wide variety of materials beyond just t-shirts. I successfully tested it on items like phone cases, wood, metal, and even leather. This versatility could open up new product lines for your business without the need for additional equipment. In terms of print quality, the XP600 printhead delivers sharp, vibrant prints with a resolution of up to 5760 by 1440 dpi. The color reproduction is excellent, and I was particularly impressed with how well it handled gradients and subtle color transitions. The printer's compact size does come with some limitations, however. The print area is limited to A4 size, 8.3 by 11.7 inches, which may be too small for some designs or larger garments. Additionally, while the UV curing process is fast, the overall print speed is not as quick as some of the larger, more industrial printers on this list. At number 4, we have the SHENGJINSH A3 L805 DTG Printer. This printer strikes a nice balance between affordability and performance, making it an attractive option for small businesses looking to dip their toes into the world of DTG printing. The L805 uses Epson's reliable L805 printhead, which delivers consistent print quality with a resolution of up to 5760 by 1440 dpi. During my testing, I was impressed by the sharpness of the prints, especially when it came to text and fine lines. The color vibrancy was also noteworthy, with prints coming out rich and eye-catching. One of the features I particularly appreciated was the white ink circulation system. This helps prevent the white ink from settling and clogging the printhead, which is a common issue with many DTG printers. The system seemed to work well during my tests, with minimal maintenance required to keep the white ink flowing smoothly. The A3 print size, 11.7 by 16.5 inches, offers a good amount of flexibility for most t-shirt designs. I found it adequate for everything from small left chest prints to larger full-front designs. The printer also handled different fabric types well, producing good results on both 100% cotton and cotton blends. In terms of speed, the SHENGJINSH A3 L805 is reasonably quick, especially for its price point. It's not the fastest printer on this list, but it should be able to handle the production needs of most small businesses without issue. I was able to print about 10 to 12 light-colored shirts per hour, which dropped to around 5 to 6 per hour for dark shirts requiring a white underbase. Taking the bronze medal in our countdown is the SYXINGL A3 DTG Printer. This versatile machine offers a great combination of features that make it well-suited for small to medium-sized businesses looking to expand their printing capabilities. One of the first things that caught my attention about the SYXINGL A3 is its dual functionality. It can operate as both a DTG and DTF, direct-to-film printer, which opens up a whole new world of possibilities. During my testing, I found the transition between DTG and DTF modes to be surprisingly smooth, allowing me to easily switch between printing directly on garments and creating heat transfers for more challenging materials. The print quality on this machine is impressive, with a maximum resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi. The colors come out vibrant and true to life, and I was particularly impressed with how well it handled gradients and photorealistic images. The white ink performance is also noteworthy, providing good opacity even on dark garments. One feature that I found particularly useful is the automatic white ink circulation system. This helps prevent the white ink from settling and clogging the printhead, which is a common issue with many DTG printers. During my testing period, I experienced minimal clogging issues, which is a big plus for maintaining consistent print quality and reducing downtime. The SYXINGL A3 also shines when it comes to versatility. I was able to successfully print on a wide range of materials beyond just t-shirts, including hoodies, canvas bags, and even shoes. The adjustable platen height accommodates items up to 5 cm thick, which adds to its flexibility. Runner-up on our list is the aeoon DTG Kyo Printer, a powerhouse machine that's designed for high-volume production without sacrificing print quality. This industrial-grade printer is a step up from the previous entries in terms of both capabilities and price, but for businesses looking to scale up their production, it could be a game-changer. The first thing that struck me about the Kyo is its sheer speed. This machine is fast, really fast. In my tests, I was able to print up to 180 light garments per hour, which is significantly quicker than any of the other printers on this list. Even when printing on dark garments with a white underbase, the speed was impressive, managing about 40 to 50 shirts per hour. But speed isn't everything, and thankfully, the Kyo doesn't compromise on quality. The print resolution is excellent, with sharp details and vibrant colors that really pop. The printer uses up to 12 Kyocera printheads, which not only contribute to its speed, but also allow for precise color matching and smooth gradients. One of the standout features of the Kyo is its flexibility. The printer comes with over 30 standard palettes, allowing you to print on a wide variety of items beyond just t-shirts. I tested it on hoodies, tote bags, and even shoes, all with excellent results. The maximum print area is an impressive 92 by 98 centimeters, which opens up possibilities for oversized prints and all-over designs. The Kyo also shines when it comes to ease of use and maintenance. The automatic cleaning system helps keep the printheads in top condition, reducing the need for manual cleaning. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy to set up and manage print jobs, even for less experienced operators. The number one spot on our list goes to the DTG Digital M6 Direct-to-Garment Printer. This industrial-grade machine is the culmination of years of research and development, and it shows in every aspect of its performance. The M6 is a true powerhouse, designed for high-volume production without compromising on quality. One of the first things that impressed me was its massive print area. With a maximum print size of 1150mm by 750mm, this machine can handle everything from small left chest prints to full-size all-over designs with ease. During my testing, I was able to print multiple garments simultaneously, significantly boosting productivity. The print quality on the M6 is nothing short of exceptional. It uses a dual CMYK piezo printhead system that delivers incredibly fine details and smooth color gradients. The resolution is top-notch, and I found that even the most complex designs came out looking crisp and vibrant. The white ink performance is particularly noteworthy, providing excellent opacity on dark garments without requiring excessive layers. Speed is another area where the M6 truly shines. This machine is fast, really fast. In my tests, I was able to print up to 100 light garments per hour, and even dark garments with a white underbase were churned out at an impressive rate of about 30 to 40 per hour. This kind of speed can be a game changer for businesses looking to handle large orders or quick turnarounds. One of the features I absolutely loved was the M6's unique 4-2-1 platen system. This allows you to print 12 small, 6 medium, or 3 large garments in a single print run. The flexibility this offers in terms of production planning is invaluable, especially when dealing with varied order sizes. And there you have it, folks. Our rundown of the top 7 DTG printers for small businesses. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current setup, there's a printer on this list to suit every need and budget. Remember, the best printer for you will depend on your specific business needs, production volume, and the types of products you offer. So take the time to consider your options carefully. Happy printing, and here's to your business success.